Good. Good morning, everyone. So this is part three of Network Plus Past Questions. So we are testing ourselves based on this quiz now, especially on a cloud questions. What is infrastructure as a code important? Why is infrastructure as a code important for a cloud technology? It simplifies the physical maintenance of a cloud server. That is A. It reduces the bandwidth required for a cloud server. B. It encourages the uses of script approach to provisions. That is C. It enables users configuration to be more reliable. So our question is what? Our answer is C. Number two, which is question two. What is the rules of automation playbook in infrastructure as a code? Again, what is the rules of automation playbook in infrastructure as a code? A. To document manual configuration step for engineering, to increase the need for human intervention in an automation process, to provide a graphic interface for infrastructural management. That is C. To automate configuring or build a task using a code block. That is D. So the answer is D. Move to the next one. Why are upgrades considered a complex in infrastructure as a code environment? Again, why are upgrades considered a complex in infrastructure as a code environment? A. They are time consuming. They are they are less secure. They are introduce unforeseen impacts. They required manual intervention. So what is the answer? A. They are time consuming. They are less secure. C. They can introduce unforeseen impacts. D. They require manual intervention. So my answer is C. What does a pull request in a source control signify? A pull request. A request for increasing storage space for a repository server. A request to pull a latest version from the repository. C. A request to delete branches. D. A request to manage branch code back into the main branch. Our answer is D. Number five. Why server which server is commonly used to maintain source code in a software development environment? FTP server, web server, email server, rep, repository server. It's repository server. Which of these following best describe the function of northbound API in SDN architecture? Number one, A. It is used for peer-to-peer network communication. B. It encrypts data traffic between different network layers. C. It facilitates communication between SDN controller and the network application. E. It connects the SDN controller to the physical network devices. Our answer is C. It facilitates the communication between the SDN controller and the network application. Which of these following is a characteristic of SDN? Application unaware, increasing the need for manual configuration, transport 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 and transport agnostic, and then data center policy management. Which of this one? The answer is C. Transport agnostic. Agnostic. How does the SDN and WAN facilitate the secure access to the cloud? Using automation and orchestration. B. By using public internet exclusive. C. Through direct physical connections. D. By requiring manual setup for each connections. So the answer is A. Using automation and orchestration. What is the key feature of the router, gateway or VPN app in SDN and SDN1? They require manual configuration for each site. They function without any form of encryptions. They can only operate in a wired environment. They are SDN1 capable. capable. What protocol can be used along VXLAN for automation, configuration, and management of overlay network? What protocol can be used along VLS-LAN for automation, net configuration, and management of overlay network? Number one, EVPN, SSH, FTP, HTTP. So, which one is our answer? Our answer is what? A. EVPN. Question 11. What technology is typically used inside data center to implement overlay network? MPLS, BGP, OSPF, VXLAN. So the answer is VLS now. In a ZTA, what does the separation of control and data plan achieve? Enhancing the scalability of a network infrastructure, reducing the need for continuous monitoring, increasing the complexity of network management, seg- seg- segregating policy decision making for data transfer. What are the two What are the two subsystems of the data decision point in DTA? Threat intelligence and behavioral analysis, or authentication server and authorization server, policy engineer and policy administrator, data plan and control plan. So which of this one is the answer? The answer is policy engineer and policy administrator. Which of these following is the function of a cloud access security broker? Reducing the cost of a cloud storage, monitoring and auditing users and resources activities. That is B. Increasing the speed of a cloud services. The third one, directly improve the performances of a SDN1 connection. Which one is our answer? The answer is D. Directly improve the performances of SDN1 connection. So this last one, how can CASB be implemented? Only through forward proxy, through forward proxy or reverse proxy and API, only through reverse proxy or through VPN only. The answer is through forward proxy and reverse proxy and API. So conclude the lecture. Let's see. Wow. Let us check our assessment. Hey, we miss one. Hey, so where do we miss? Let's confirm. Wow, that is number 14. So let us quick correct it. Which of these following is the function of a cloud access security brokers? So the answer is monitoring and auditing users and resources directly. Thank you so much. Appreciate.